welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the PANGTON VILLA 32.8 foot RGB strip, 36 watts of power, and then this is a 10-meter strip. Let's get into it. Comes with a 44 key remote, a power supply, a user manual, the RGB strips themselves. Taking a closer look at the manual, very clear instructions. We're going to look at the remote. You have 20 colors you can pick from instantly. You have 6 different DIY modes, which you can then customize to your choosing, so you can do thousands of different color combinations. You have 6 different modes here, so you have 2 jumps, 2 fades, auto, and flash. You can slow it down or speed it up. You have an on and off button and a brightness adjuster. Taking a look at the power supply, this is a 24 volt 1.5 amp output rated UL certified power supply. It passed various tests. Shell is made out of fire protective materials, and the cord length of the power supply is 4.92 feet. It also comes with extra mounting supplies. Very easy to set up. The control box is a lot smaller, unlike the big white box that you get for the IR receiver. This one is really small and it's way better. Into an outlet and then plug this in and you're good to go. There's no arrow to arrow. On the strips are 0.2 millimeters thick with custom adhesive brackets, which you can either mount with the adhesive that comes with the brackets, or you can use the screws. Either work, they're both good. These are practically 180, so you don't even have to point at it that much. You have red, green, and blue. You also have white. These are really nice looking. And the red gets really dark, which is really cool. These themselves go really dim as well, so if you want them really dim, they also get pretty bright. Now this is one continuous roll of 32.8 foot strip, which is really good. You also have, we're going to take a look at the Fade 7, which is my personal favorite. You can slow it down, you can make it faster. You have Jump 7, which flashes between 7 different colors, and then you have Jump 3. And then you have Jump 3, which flashes between red, green, and blue, 3 colors. And then you have Auto and Flash. DIY modes, obviously you guys know how they work. You just pick a color, you press DIY, and then you can change red up, green down, blue up, however you want. There's 10 different videos on how to do it. But I like this remote because remote. It is not like a traditional 44 key remote, which is made out of cheaper plastic. This one is reinforced slightly. It just looks a lot better in my opinion. Doesn't look cheaper. It doesn't look. So yeah, these strips really cool, very vibrant colors, very bright. Purple looks really good, white looks good, all these other colors look so good. It's very accurate too. You don't even have to point at it, like I said. Enjoy this video. These retail for probably around $20-$25 on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. Check the link in the description for the updated prices, because I don't know the full pricing on it, but it's somewhere around 20 bucks. I know that for a fact. RGB strips aren't that expensive, so go check them out. If you guys did enjoy this video, I'm on the road to 1K. I'm really close. I'm probably like 70 subscribers away. If you guys can go to subscribe and like the video, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching.